Hello, vloggity vlog. We just got done with a birthday party. I wanted to vlog a little bit.
Hello.
I did. You got a shirt on? My kid's scandalous. But I wanted to vlog a little bit because I couldn't really do it at the party. I did vlog some clips where you cannot see people's faces except for my kids. I vlogged her when she was eating. But my client's birthday party was today, and that's what we just did. So that's what we did today. It's Monday. Other than that, I slept all day. She went to school. She did homework when she got home. She's gonna go home and do chores, go to bed. That was our day. We're gonna go get drinks real quick.
No, I want to vlog. Yeah, we're gonna go get drinks. Yay! And I think I might get a Dr. Pepper. I don't know. Might get a cherry Coke. I don't know. Got two down. For some reason, that song stuck in my head, you guys. And so yeah, I'll vlog the piece where I get my drink. I don't know what I'm gonna get to drink. Mommy, probably, I don't know if Mommy's gonna get a drink or not. I think she is. Peace out, everybody!
Hello guys, so I'm going to show you my kitchen. I'm getting ready to do a speed clean with me, but I've got dishes to do. This is from a couple days worth, and my sister was here. Gonna put dishes away, gonna clean off the counters, gonna try to tackle this little area right here. I can't figure out. And then I've got floors to do. I think we're pretty well off. I'm gonna clean the counter here. But yeah, that's what we're getting ready to do. Right meow. That was the kitchen. She's doing the litter box now. I'm gonna make coffee. So let's do that. So, I don't know if I should shut this light off or keep it on. Let's shut it off. Natural lighting? Sure. So, I get this coffee. It's Colombian coffee from Aldi's. It's like $3.89 for Look. Look.
Don't ever have a nicest mom.
Good for you. So I just filmed this a second ago, but it deleted or didn't film or whatever. So I bought this the other day. It's the Method Antibacterial All-Purpose Cleaner in bamboo. Not a big fan. This one's my favorite. The All-Purpose Clementine.
Hi guys, I'm done with my
Smell.
litter box.
It's Method. Love it. Favorite cleaner. This is almost gone. I was kind of sad, but I needed to get a replacement because
Guys,
we have to drive all the way across town to get this.
we
There's
have
only
to go
one spot to buy it.
Myers. Guys, guess what? I think I just forgot what I was gonna say. I have to, what the heck? I have to, sweep up the stuff that is on the floor.
I need to go change my clothes. I'm
The
all
litter
sticky.
box from the litter box, and
Oh, look
yeah,
at the lens. not your-
and yeah. So I'll show you guys of doing
It's
the
plastic.
sweeping.
Plastic. Plastic.
You see?
Plastic.
Look, plastic.
But it's reusable.
Look, listen, listen.
Don't break it.
No, look, listen, listen. Oh, no. Listen.
Hot.
Or
That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.